Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how we can easily preview the website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is go right top corner, and next to the save you're gonna see preview, and you just want to click on it and opening preview, and all the things that you change you're gonna see right here, right? So this is pretty much how we do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and stuff like that. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.